Hello, welcome to Fix It with Fowler, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust the door with a rollerball catch to stop this happening. Okay, so all you're going to need to adjust this catch is a pair of long nose pliers like these. These particular ones are insulated, they're actually electrician's pliers. However, you don't need to worry about this. All you actually need is some long nose pliers. So if we open the door and have a look, so this is your adjustable rollerball catch. This is the nylon roller that engages into the stay in the door frame. So if we just zoom that in so you can have a closer look. So at the top it says adjust a plus and a minus. So obviously one way clockwise will take the roller into the door. So if the door was too tight, you can turn it that way. And obviously in this case, what we actually want to do is bring the roller out so it goes into the stay in the frame. So if you get your long nose pliers, push the catch into the door and turn it. So each turn like that will bring the catch out probably a couple of millimeters. So we're going to do that again. And then this is a bit of a trial and error. So if we now just try the door, see how it fits, it's a lot better, but still not quite adjusted to how we want it. So again, if I just zoom in so you can see, so we're just going to put them on, give it another turn. Again, a little bit of a trial and error job, and that is perfect. It's not too tight. You can still open the door, but when it's shut, there's now no play in the door itself. Okay, that's the job done. The door's now nice and secure, which is what we wanted. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you've got any comments or any advice, then please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.